Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change password on Replika. If you want to change the password of your Replika account, first of all, open up the Replika app on your mobile device and then go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu. From the settings menu, go ahead and tap on account. Inside accounts tab, tap on change password, which will be located at the bottom. Now, enter your current password in the first tab that you use for Replika to sign in, and then enter your new password on the next field. After typing down your new password, tap on save, and this will help you change your password on Replika account. Make sure to choose a strong password. Ideally, you can choose a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. And after you have done it, you will be able to update your Replika password on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.